Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the new Too Faced holiday palettes, the Gingerbread palette and the Sugar Cookies palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I create a look using these two palettes, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys loved it as much as I do. I am so freaking pumped that Too Faced came out with a gingerbread palette. If you watch my channel, you know that I freaking love anything that is gingerbread, right? Gingerbread bubble bath, bath bombs, makeup, cookies, candles, anything that smells like gingerbread, I'm in all the way. And Too Faced is probably one of my most favorite brands, and they just came out with a gingerbread Too Faced palette, and I'm so freaking excited, you guys. And this packaging is just so cute, so cute. And on top of that, the colors are gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you don't have this palette, I would go get it. It'd make a great Christmas gift, or just an early Christmas gift for yourself, which is what I did. And then I also use the small Too Faced, I don't know if you guys can see that with the lighting, but it is the Sugar Cookie palette, you guys. It is so adorable and tiny, but the colors in here are absolutely beautiful, and of course it smells like cookies. This little palette is so freaking cute, you guys. If you don't have it, I'm gonna say go get it, because I'm gonna tell you to get anything Too Faced. So if you don't like Too Faced products, then you don't need to be watching my channel, because I'm gonna tell you to go get it, right? Because I love Too Faced. I also jumped back to last year's Too Faced little trio that they did. It was 3 of these that came together. It was like a little book. This is the Peppermint Mocha palette. I used the blush from this palette called Santa Baby. So yeah, anyways, that is all I've got to share with you guys. Everything that I used will be down in the description bar. If there's anything you want to see, if there's any products you'd like for me to try, just drop it down in the comments and I will do it for you. So I think that is it for today. Remember, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, you guys, and always subscribe. And until next time, y'all stay gorgeous.